Today's tutorial we are going to discuss the use of offset function in Excel. Offset, as you can see, it accepts 5 arguments. The first one is, we call it as reference cell. Second, the row number, positive or negative, maybe column number, positive, negative. Then this one is the height of the rows, and the last one we call it the width of the columns. So let's discuss this in with a practical example. Here you can see we have 4 cases. In first case we say row and column both are positive, as we said that this is positive and negative. So in that case, if both are positive, and in second case if both are negative, in third case row is positive, column is negative, while in the fourth case the row is negative while the column is positive, then see what we can generate in terms of the result. For example, if I write here the first formula offset, and then I have to call here the reference cell, it means that if I select the first one employee ID, that's 351-08-1003, which mean I'm calling here F6. that is my cell reference according to this syntax parameter. And then I'm calling if 2 is my row number, which mean from this cell reference you have to go 2 rows down, because we wrote there positive 2, so 1 and 2, probably that is F8. And if I write there 1, that's mean positive 1, which means from the reference value F6 we have to go 1 column towards right side, which is G. Okay, so G8 we had that position. And then I'm writing height of the column is height of the row is 1, height of the row width of the row is of the column is 1 again. Then press enter, I'm getting 32. How 32? Because I passed a reference value, that is F6. Then I wrote that's 2 column down, sorry, 2 rows down, that's 1, and second probably it's F8. And then I wrote 1 mean 1 column towards right side, that's 32. So exactly I'm getting the result of 32, that's mean 100% correct. Okay, what if both are negative? So here I write again offset, and then at this case I'm passing the value is mth, and that is E7 cell reference. And then I'm asking go 1 row back, so -1, which means from this reference it will go back, that is E6, where we have data with the name Muhammad. And if I pass negative -1, so this is 1, which means in this case, which means we are supposed to go 1 column towards left side. In that case that is D6, so we do not have anything in D6, probably we will get result 0. And width 1 while column 1, this we are getting value 0. If I write here anything, let's say if I write here park, so I'm getting the value of park because that's according to the same. Okay, then class we go to the third case, that is positive row while the negative column. Then see what we can generate this time, offset. And then we, let's say if I identify this is 30, so that's my reference value. Then I'm passing there 1 down, that's mean 1 row down from the 30, that probably will 32. And if I pass there negative column 1, that's mean we are right now at the position of 30. So we have to go back one cell over here, that's 3510910001, and the height of the row is 1 while the width of the column is 1. Then probably result we are getting the same result, this one. So the last one, the row is positive, so we call this time of set, and then we let's say we passing this one, and we say one row negative. So in this case obviously one row above from this, that in that case this one. So one column positive, that's mean 32 with respect to this, and with respect to this we get 30, and again height is 1, width is 1, and getting result 30. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial a lot. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.